I'm in kind of Zephyr Hills area, which is north of Tampa, northeast of Tampa. And I wanted to show you how much there is still some beautiful land here in Florida. Just saying. We got some time to chill before we go, and we're gonna hang out here. So it's raining and pouring, the old man is snoring. We just stopped at RJ's here in Zephyr Hills, and starting to think maybe we should just head home because it's supposed to be a rainy day all day, and I don't want to sit in the van when I'm 30 minutes away from home. So we're right now at this point, we're gonna head home and then figure out from there. I mean, I can always go back if it like stops or whatever. But meanwhile, I need to figure all that out. It is what it is. You know, obviously, if I didn't have a place to go home 30 minutes, I probably wouldn't do this, obviously, because I would have to go and stay there. But I don't want to go stay in a mud pit for the whole night. Since we're right here, we're gonna see if we can get in a little early. And then decide from when we're at the campsite what we want to do. Because this is one miserable, right, Nookie? Day. One miserable day. It's the last 3 days, literally. I just noticed that we are right here at this campground, and we're just gonna go here and see if we can get a little early. So we're roughly about an hour early, and hopefully they'll let us in. And then we'll figure out from there what we want to do. So this is Hillsborough River Park and Campground. Hello. I know I'm a little early, but I'm number 60. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much for your time. You guys sell wood up here?
Yeah, we sell it here at $8 a bag. Exactly.
What time do you guys close at?
5:30.
Because who knows what this is going to do. I think this is an all-nighter.
Yeah, we kind of on and off all day.
Yeah, so I might head out. So it's till what time? Sorry.
5:30.
5:30.
If you can't get it here, public is also.
Yeah, I usually go there, but meanwhile, thank you. All right, guys. Well, we made it into Hillsborough, and they said my site is ready for us to come show. So we're gonna go there, and we're just gonna wait out this rain and see what happens. Most likely, we're gonna stay the night here tonight. There's no doubt about it. The thing is about it is like, all right, 5:30, we'll grab some wood. Hope you guys look at my last year's videos. Me and my nephew and my brother camped out here in the same loop, but it was on the corner. So I think I'll be able to show you guys this. So we're gonna go back. We're going to take a nap just because this weather is like napping weather. And my little dookie. How's my little dookie? He's like, eat me, Dad. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do. Hillsborough River Campground. Here we are, and park. And we just went by the area that you go hiking, but you can go hiking through here too. Maybe tomorrow we'll be able to fit something in. do too much of a camping cook tonight since I just went to that place, RJ's, Wild Wings and Barbecue, and end up with leftovers. So if anything, we'll just heat that up and eat that tonight. And it all depends on this freaking wet. Oh, that's what I was talking about. I literally picked the wrong days to come camping. I mean, I could have waited till next week where it was all clear, nice, and beautiful. Oh yeah, I remember there's like a park, poolside cafe. I don't think it's been open since we've been here though. It still doesn't look open. Definitely doesn't look open. Electric and water here. Well, we're gonna go back there and go shoot. What do you think? I got you some food there. Alright, well, we're gonna chill, relax, and enjoy this little campsite. But meanwhile, if it does stop, we can, until 5:30, we'll get some wood. So, if it doesn't, it is what it is. Oh yeah. Holy shit, doggy. But I wanted to show you guys. Nice big spot though. Once it stops,